All right, 2.5 years in. This is much more exciting, although it looks about the same kind of level. Anyway, quick wrap of I have in the month of February, the whole month, so on the 1st of Feb, I changed it over to mains. And on the end of February, I can't remember what day it was, I changed it back to our water. And because in February, the water was here, and I was like, ooh, I am so running out. And I changed it over to mains, did the month, and I thought, and we got a heap of rain. I was like, ooh, I'll change it back. So I changed it back, and it's filling up quite quickly. The pipes, the down pipes, everything seems to be working really well. I'm super excited. You know, it's the beginning of winter, early part of winter, and I'm already just over half, and I'm so excited. I'm very excited. I don't know what else to show you apart from this seems to be working. I mean, the next 6 months will tell me a lot, but I will show you the new battery, and I'll talk about a few things that have changed. Yeah, but yeah, so far, 2.5 years, amazing. All right, next bit. All right, new 10 kilowatt battery and inverter installed, and yeah, it goes all night, no worries. During summer, I noticed if I have the two main air cons off, but the bedroom one on, it lasts all night, no worries. So that's amazing, awesome, super happy about that. That's working really well. And as for the heat pump, still, it's cycling at the moment, still awesome, very cool. All right, fireplace, amazing. That kettle on there is ready for a cup of tea, and the fire's going pretty flat out at the moment because it's really cold, and I was out this morning. And this little fan, amazing. Obviously this is a different fireplace from the old one because this is one I bought when I was living on the back of a farm, and that's how I kept the place warm. So I've got to reuse that. That's a really good fireplace. Yeah, I think that is about it. Yeah, the little air cons are amazing. Not that I'm using them at the moment because it's so cold, but I can use them as a heater. But I've got that, so that will do. And I've got a couple bits of wood. Yeah, amazing. All right. All right, well, that's it for this video. Very quick one. It was awesome. The water system's working really well. The solar system, really good. The new battery, super cool. The water, I'm so thankful that's all online and catching as much as it does. So at the end of winter, or you know, when the next video, which will be in 6 months, will be a December one again, we'll see where it's at. That's a great way for me to reflect back on them. I'm so much happier with this. I'm very stoked, super impressed, and yeah, I'll aspire to see you in the next one. Cheers.